Hey everyone, meet Brandon on the Nissan Rogue 2016. I'm going to show you how to reverse your wipers if you put them on wrong. It's very simple. There's just a little black cap you have to get off. It looks like this. Only tool you really need is a flathead screwdriver, and this is a 9x16 inch wrench, socket wrench. And what you do is you come down here, and hopefully you can see, you just have to, just have to pry this off. This is flush. So easy. You can almost get it with your fingers. Once you get that off, that's just a little plastic cover. And then you got access to what you really need, which is right here. I won't lie, they're pretty stiff at the beginning, so I actually loosened it. Then once you loosen them, it is so easy to get these off. Just spin it with your finger 20 times or so, however long. And every model might be a little different. And this bad boy, I won't lie either, this is a little tricky to get out of here. I hope I can get it with one hand, but yeah, I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. You've seen how to do it. So you just gotta get these off, and then don't be scared once you get this out of there. Don't be scared to move this around, because it'll definitely come loose, and then you just swap them. I can't do it with one hand, but that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. If you missed the video, I took off this whole bracket to fix the sunroof and the moonroof that was leaking. It was clogged. So if you need help with that, check out these videos. I got a couple on there. They're all like a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, so it won't take most of your time. But the principle is getting these little clamps off, getting the wiper blades off. It gets you access to the drain spouts, whatever they're called, and that's what you need. So I hope this helps you guys. Don't put your wipers on backwards, but if you do, this is how you fix them.